Station E tells us to solve by using the quadratic formula. So in order to use a quadratic formula, we need to know what it is and what A, B, and C are. So A is 1, B is 5, and C is negative 9. Here's our quadratic formula. X is equal to negative B, all divided by 2A, plus or minus B squared minus 4AC. Also divided by 2A. Remember, you get this formula or a variation of this formula on your reference sheet, but it's always best to have this memorized. So now let's substitute in what A, B, and C are, and we are going to use lots of parentheses. All right, so here is what it looks like after you substitute your values in for A, B, and C. Next, we need to simplify. So I'm going to simplify this, what's underneath the square root, and this denominator here. Okay, so I simplified all those parts. Since the directions say that we can round our answer, that means we don't have to worry about simplifying this radical. So what we can actually do is now set up our little chart to show the two roots. So x is equal to negative 5/2 plus the square root of 61 all divided by 2. And then also x is equal to negative 5/2 minus the square root of 61 all divided by 2. Go ahead then and type those in your calculator, and these are the two answers you will come up with. And since we are rounding to the nearest tenth, we'll look at the 10th place value in both of our answers and round accordingly. Looks like they're both going to stay. So our final answers will be x is equal to 1 4/10, and x is equal to negative 6 4/10.